Hey, welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you how to quickly add a clickable location link to your Canva invite. First, click the Create button. Next, type Invitation in the search bar. Here, we'll use this portrait as our sample design. Now, select a template from the options displayed. On the left side, you can browse and choose from various invitation templates. Click on your preferred template to apply it to your design and start customizing your invitation as needed. Select the item you want to update. Here, we'll change the location. Open your browser and go to Google. In the search bar, enter the location you're looking for. Once the results appear, click on Maps to display map-specific information. Browse the available places and select the correct location. For this example, we'll choose this church as the new location. Make sure your selection matches your intended destination before saving the changes. To change the marriage location, select the New option from the list. The previously selected location will be replaced with your new choice immediately after selection. Press Ctrl and K to open the link prompt. Now, return to your document and click the Share button to continue setting up permissions. Copy the link by selecting it and using Ctrl+C. Next, place your cursor here, use Ctrl+V to paste, then click to continue. Click Done to save your changes. Now, you'll see your text is underlined, indicating it's a hyperlink. Click the link to confirm it's working as expected. Click the Share button, then select Download. In the Download options, choose PDF Print. This saves your file as a printable PDF document. Once the download is complete, you can easily find the file on your device. Now, you're ready to share the PDF with your friends or colleagues by sending it directly to them. Now you can easily add a location link to your Canva invitations. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more quick tips.